going on, guys? Mega Boss here. My little brother. So cringy, blonde. Okay, but we're gonna be eating this. And my little brother's gonna be eating this one. So I definitely feel he's gonna stop for me because white chocolate, you just can't handle white chocolate. It's too good.
Yeah, it's too good.
So, wait, hold on. And we have milk.
Yeah.
My cup.
And my
brother's
cup.
cup. And just so you
I
guys,
got the
and just so you know, it actually is milk. Milk. It's not glue. And then milk. Wait, move it around a little. There it is.
That's milk. That's milk. Okay.
Let's open these bad boys. Whoa.
Okay.
My milk is gonna spill. Wait, get over here so we can see you unboxing. You're using your mouth. Cringy AF. Plastic. Whoa, don't break it. Watch out. Gotta be gentle with these things. In the face.
Look,
No way.
it smells good. The white feels so good.
Dude,
Look, smell it.
look at this thing. Oh, that white.
Oh. Look at this. These are my bunny.
Dude, that smells so good. Look at these.
It's so good. This is better.
Alright, so we're gonna start this challenge. We're gonna start at 2 minutes. Alright, so get ready to eat it. 3, 2, 1, go. Go over here.
This is so good.
It's gonna take a long time. We're never gonna finish it. You have to bit off all the ear? No wonder you have that big ball in your cheek. Show them. Look at that. Just finished that bite. Bruh. I bit off the front. Look at this guy. Bro. Bruh. Get over here, boy. Ah, my cheese hurt.
Oh shit, it's just going.
Spilled his milk. It's okay. No way. It's too much, bro. How many calories is this? It's 2,000 through 2,500 calories. Yeah, I think you can see it. It's starting to get smells like chocolate on my fingers. Are you? No. What are you doing? Yeah, you are. He is too. Bruh.
Oh, fuck.
Don't choke.
Oh, my teeth hurt.
When you drink the milk?
Yeah.
So awesome. Look at this. I don't know. I ate before this because I was really hungry, and then if I ate this before I ate, like, ate,
No, really not. Oh,
I wouldn't.
bueno.
Stop. Don't bite. Don't bite right. He took a bite. I'm taking a bite of his. Yeah. I think, no. Now I just think white chocolate is too sweet. I think we're just gonna end it here.
Oh, shit.
No way. We're gonna be able to finish it.
Wait.
Probably just give it to Matt Stoney. He'll finish it off. Right, kid? Matt Stoney. El que se comió toda la comida ayer. Yeah, he knows what I'm talking about. Bruh. Look at this. Look at that comparison. I need too much. Ew, ew. I thought you spit something, but I was just that little red ball. Alright, well. Oh, okay. Peace.